Hey Trey, how's it going? This is Ryan with TrendLizard.com. I got your email. You asked me to take a look at Zoom video communications for you today using the Elliott Wave theory, the theory we use at our website at TrendLizard.com. More than happy to do that for you. I think I've taken a look at this, or for somebody else anyway, I've taken a look at Zoom before. So here is what we're looking at. This guy hasn't been around a ton. It started out with a little ABC pullback after it found a low in December 2019. It's given us a very large 5-wave advance to the upside that appears to have completed in October of 2020. Previously, I think I looked at the possibility that that this was a fourth wave and that this was all part of the third wave. What we've seen since then has proven otherwise. We have seen a very large pullback that's lasted over a year and is a large move that has retraced almost exactly 61.8% of this big up leg here. So that's a big thing. Makes it very clear that this is a larger degree correction. So that's the important thing. Now the big question is, where are we at in this big pullback? Is it near an end? Is this an ABC move? What is it that we're looking at? So let's go ahead and zoom in on that price action to the downside. Here is the move. It's lasted for about a year. It does look like a counter trend move overall. The way I'm seeing it is an A wave down, a B wave up, and a C wave down to complete wave A. Got a nice pop there up into August high, and since then has been again trading down and has retraced about 61.8%, a very important level as far as support is concerned. So as is, obviously there's no indication yet that there is a low in to this large pullback, but it is at major support. It sports a very clear ABC form, which is what we'd expect if it's a counter trend move. The only thing that's left is for Zoom to actually turn higher. I don't think you can be buying this guy quite yet until you see the pop to the upside and see something that indicates that a low is in, just to be confident that this is in fact a big counter trend move. Now in the ideal scenario, we would see strength all the way up through 345 to indicate that this ABC pullback is over. Probably don't want to wait that long. That would be such a huge move to wait for before you buy. So I guess really what you're left with is looking for some type of trendy upside movement on a short-term time frame. I'd love to see little trendy 5-wave moves to the upside followed by little counter trend pullbacks to kind of set a base and create some opportunity for a low to be left behind and for the next big 5-wave advance to play out. Until you see that, I just think there's too much risk involved to buy it, and it's hard to come up with a hard and fast buy level that's any closer than 345 until we see some kind of pop. Now, once we see that pop, I'll take a look at this guy for you again if you like, and find a more a closer and more specific level as an entry point. But again, we have to see some type of strength to the upside before this becomes a buying opportunity, given that it's more than halved over the last year and has not yet shown signs of a low. So I hope that's helpful, Trey. Have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you again soon.